Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a strong and sturdy walking stick that doesn't sacrifice style? I was, and that's why I am so excited to tell you about this walking stick. It is wooden. It comes in 3 sections, which means you can take it apart and travel with it no problem. That was definitely something I wanted. This brass top is so stylish and heavy. You do not get the feeling like this walking stick is going to let you down. I love the fact that it has a rubber tip, so for extra stability, no matter what surface I'm walking on. Now, primarily, I needed this to help me walk. I had broken my ankle and I was just learning to walk again. And I did need something strong, not just something good looking, but something that was really going to help me navigate while I was learning to walk, from my crutches to just walking. And so I was concerned that I wouldn't have something that would be strong enough when I left my crutches behind. But this walking stick did not disappoint. I feel stable, I feel secure. I never felt like it was going to give out on me. The wood is beautiful, and when you have the pieces all together, there's almost no discernible seam. It's just the right height for me. It goes with me, whatever I'm wearing. I love the fact that it has this stylish, beautiful end that fits in my hand, and it's heavy. It gives me a feeling of stability. When you need help walking, you never want to feel unstable with your walking stick. But this walking stick goes beyond just being stable and reliable. It's also beautiful and stylish. And I love the fact that it comes apart so that I can take it anywhere with me. It's easy to travel with. I could not be more pleased with this walking stick. And that is my point of view.